Picture this. You're cruising through life, feeling financially secure, and then bam! Life throws you a curveball. Your car breaks down, medical bills pile up, or you suddenly find yourself without a job. We've all been there, right? Today, we're going to reveal the ultimate solution that will save you from those unexpected money meltdowns. It's time to talk about the superhero of personal finance, the emergency fund. Ready? Let's jump right in. Imagine having a financial safety net that cushions you during tough times, like a superhero cape for your bank account. An emergency fund is exactly that. A stash of money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses that life inevitably throws at us. But here's the thing. It's not just about having some spare change lying around. It's about having a solid, rock-solid plan in place to shield you from financial disaster. So, how do you get started? Well, grab your notepads because I'm about to reveal the 4 steps to building your emergency fund. Step 1. Set a goal. Calculate your monthly expenses and aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth. This will give you a solid buffer in case of emergencies, providing peace of mind and financial security. Step 2. Make it a priority. Treat your emergency fund like a monthly bill. Set aside a fixed amount from each paycheck and make it non-negotiable. Consistency is the name of the game, my friends. Step 3. Find creative ways to boost your savings. Maybe it's cutting back on those impulse purchases, finding cheaper alternatives, or negotiating better deals on your bills. Remember, every penny saved gets you closer to your emergency fund goal. And finally, Step 4. Educate yourself and seek guidance. Research different savings options and find the best fit for you. Whether it's a high-yield savings account or a money market fund, choose an option that offers easy access to your money while still earning interest. Congratulations! You're now armed with the financial superpower of an emergency fund. Life may be unpredictable, but with your emergency fund in place, you're ready to take on anything that comes your way. Remember, you're in control of your financial destiny. Keep manifesting those money goals and we'll see you soon.